Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dennis Harlow, and we are covering identity, who you really are and why it matters. Okay, and we're getting ready to launch a group for those of you that have been following the 30-day series that we have. Now in this group we're going to take 5 areas and we're going to make all that come together, but this is the book right here, Paul Lewis Cole, Identity, who you really are and why it matters. Okay, a great book. Okay, very simplistic with easy principles that you can implement in your life on a daily basis, and you will start to see results in your life. So if you've been struggling with bad habits or fear, maybe your business is not working well, it just kind of fell off, we're going to show you what you need to do to take yourself, remove all those areas of your life that are been sabotaging it, because that's what it is. Okay, everybody wants to move forward in their life, but very few people understand what that's going to take. And identity is what changes that. People go into business, they don't understand what they do, they don't know what to say, and when your identity is strong, you are strong. All that other stuff falls away. So here's what I promise you. There's 5 areas, okay? And the 5 areas are decision. We have to make a decision. If we don't make a decision, nothing happens, okay? The next thing we're going to do is start. And we're talking about small things. We're not talking about huge things that you have to do. Just small little things done daily, consistently, over a period of a short time will change the areas that you're struggling with, okay? The next thing is we're going to talk about fight. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to go out and fight with people. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the inner words that you're talking about yourself. When you're alone, okay, who are you? Most people think that we're this person because we do this job and what we do with our hand. That's who we are. That's incorrect, okay? That is not who you're. What if you lose your job? Is that still who you are, or do you have to find something different? Exactly. So identity is something that is constant. It's your character. It reduces fear from your life, and it puts you on the right path. When you know who you are, your character is strong, your identity is strong, and that's when things change. Okay. The next thing that we're going to talk about is victory. When you get past that area right there, and you start seeing victories in your life, and we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you how to get victory in your life, for your business, for your life, for your marriage, whatever it is. Okay? It all can be done through your identity. And when the victory part is solidified in you and you've mastered that, then we're going to cover the results. Okay? Very simple. And we're going to give you simple, practical things that you can say. The way you talk to yourself, and if other people are talking bad about you, sometimes we take that on as our identity. We don't need to do that. That's their identity, okay? You're going to come out a strong, powerful man with great character, or woman. Even if you're a woman and you're having areas in your life where you're struggling too, this is for you too, okay? So anyways, drop me in the content. First, like and subscribe, and drop me in the comments if you want to know about the group and you would like to be part of it. We'll be happy to send that information off to you along with the start date and time. And we're going to record this, so it'll be there. If you're busy at work, or we know people are busy in life, okay? That's just the way it is. I am, and I'm retired. I'm more busy now than when I actually worked 40 to 50 or 60 hours a week. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. I'm a father of 3 kids. I'm married, and I have to handle everything in my life, and I'm building my identity at the same time. So anyways, so we understand that, and it's going to be recorded so you can actually watch it. So this is something that you can watch on your free time or when you get home from work, and start using the simple action steps that we're going to teach you, and we're going to have an accountability for it. Okay, so we can keep you honest with yourself, and you can start seeing results. Because let's face it, we can give you all the action steps in the world, and if you don't do them, then you're not going to go anywhere. And the simple thing we talk about starting, when we start, it's small things. It's not this huge thing that you have to do. Everybody thinks that you have to do these huge things. You know, God loves people who do the small things when they start. And when we do that, we see the favor of God. Okay? We're going to show you how to do that. So anyways, share this with somebody also that you think might be interested or needs help, and they're completely struggling financially or anywhere in their life, and we're gonna help people get to where they want to be. I mean, we guarantee that. If you do what we tell you to do, you're going to see massive changes in your life, and you're never going to go back to that old person that sabotages their life every time they turn around. Okay? Anyways, again, my name's Dennis Harlow. I love you guys. God bless, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.